Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Pop. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all drip ecosystem related projects. And today's video is just off the cuff, man, because every Sunday I do my weekly financial update and find out where my drip portfolio is at. You guys know, if you've been following me now almost 14 months, I pretty much just got out of all the other DeFi plays and focused on the drip ecosystem. And then over the course of this 14 months, I've now realized something that I always knew when I look back at my content about the community part. And now it's just become true because I'm putting my brick in, as Ray would say, building out things that I know will have significant impact. And the purpose of this video is that I just started getting super hype on what we're building with the drip marketing DAO and my Change 360. I know I just did a video on this, but this is specifically related to a garden update because I think the last garden update video I did, here 10 days ago, I had 1 billion plants. And I ran the numbers, and you guys know, if you've been following me, I've been running these numbers the entire time. But what's fascinating, and I'm putting this 100% on the back of the drip marketing DAO. We did this with the garden. I know the haters out there and the other people are gonna be like, nah, it was a drip price, it was this. No, we put the eyes back on the garden and it has pumped significantly. And I'm gonna show you the referrals and all that stuff that we have because of that. Of course, drip pumping has helped as well, or at least staying stable. So we're still sitting at 53 cents or so. But getting the focus specifically on the garden was 100% the drip marketing DAO, and we haven't even gotten started yet. But anyway, I want to show you these numbers again. So if you've watched my channel, you're familiar with this. But anyway, I kept this spreadsheet, or I forgot what you would call this list, but when I started this originally back on 6 Feb, and this is the forecast if I would just work to compound once a day at that 3.33%. So as of today's video, 26th of March, I should have 1.649 billion plants. And as of today, I have 1.8. Now, that's not even the significant part. The significant part is I've actually pulled out 30 LPs that I've added since March 19th, or maybe it was March 7th. I can't remember. About 2.5 weeks, I've been able to take out 30 LPs and add them to my main garden. I'm sorry, what do you call that? Main farm on my main wallet that I'm about to switch to here. So I now have just under 149 drip BUSD whenever this updates. There we go. And I had 120, 130, and then in my actual big garden wallet, I still have another 12 that I could move over. So if you look at the tokens, I have 12 cake LPs. So I've been doing that 8-hour strategy. Again, if you've been following my videos that I mentioned before, where I keep some of it, and I'm not doing it super precise anymore. I just claim that 8 hours worth roughly, and then the next day I just find an amount to deposit back. So like if I have like 15.889, I'll deposit like 2 in that change or 3 in that change. So it's no real science behind it, just ensuring that I put some of those LPs back. But what that's done is that has, let's take a look at drip formulate, it's easier to see. That has increased my garden value. That's increased the total LPs that I'm making. It's increased the amount of plants that I have compared to what I would have been doing if I had just been compounding. So that's huge. That is the power of the garden when everything is working properly. The problem is, for the past year, we've had nothing but the drip price going down. Therefore, the leverage on the garden has made it exponentially worse off. And that is, again, why we're focusing on the garden with the drip marketing DAO, because the potential for it is massive. And I want to show you exactly that, because I had one comment, somebody said something about, oh, you guys are now going to market to another country and get them wrecked as well. No, obviously that's not the case. And we are going to ensure that we onboard these people and educate them. But I want to show you what I actually did with a sub wallet. So I made this video to just show people how to get into the garden. And I did it for the drip marketing DAO, and you can see that. Let me find that actual transaction about 8-9 days ago now. So this is this brand new wallet that I did on stream to show people how to get into the drip marketing DAO wallet using as a referral. So what I'm going to show you, what's significant about this, is that it's 9 days, and all I did was actually airdrop half a LP to this wallet just to show how to get in. Half an LP, about $1.25 or something like that. So definitely nothing to call home about. But remember, if you watch my videos, we were talking about marketing to the English speaking people in the Philippines and saying how a $5 buy-in could change the drip price. And this is going to be huge, right? So this is the power when you get into the contract and it's actually working. So I'm going to show you what I've made on that wallet shortly. So I got in again about 8 days ago. So it was around here or so. I don't know, a 212, 2711. So it went down a little bit from when I made that video, but it's gone up since then, right? So with us onboarding these people and getting the sales funnel right now, that's going to be once we actually nail the sales funnel, we should see it continue to trail upward because we will be able to scale infinitely with that. Now let's take a look at what's in this wallet in regards to what I could claim. So right now, it's not updated. There we go. That wallet has 37 cents. Now you're like, wait, that's not a lot of money. That's nothing. But remember, I only put in about, let's see, half an LP. So let's see what an actual LP price is as of today. I don't know what it was a couple days ago, but it would have been cheaper because the price of drip was a little lower then. So I think an LP is $2.59. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to round that up to $3. Let's just, I don't feel like doing math with a calculator and all this stuff, but let's just say it costs $3 and that's what I airdropped. So I airdropped half. So we're going to say that that was $1.50. And again, this is on chain, so I'm not making this up, but I want to show you the power of what we're doing and how this is going to get out of hand and what true crypto community is all about. So 0.54. So it's definitely safe to say that that would be about $1.50. Right? Because I'm rounding this up and it was 0.54. So $1.50. And in 8 days, this wallet has now gotten back, where did it go? 37 cents. So let's do the math. I know this is simple math, but I want to show it on screen just so you guys can see the power of this. So we've made about 25% in 8 days. Now we know that simple math, again, round that up to 40 and that would be 1/4. You multiply 0.4 times 4, you get $1.60, right? So this wallet has gotten 25% ROI in 8 days of what it put in. Now imagine the power of, again, what we plan to do with the Filipino community, onboarding all these people, and they're putting in just $5. And then in a little over a week, they're like, yo, I got $1.25 off of my $5 investment. Cool. Now imagine the power of us educating all of these people, tens of thousands of people coming on through the Drip Marketing DAO, being onboarded through the information, the hand holding, the entire process. Remember that this is a miner and it works as long as, well, Forex made it more sustainable, but typical miners, when people have positive behavior, it just continues to work. Now imagine again the benefit of educating all these people on how this miner works, why it's more sustainable than other ones, and then how to take profits responsibly as a community. And again, the power of the Asia community, you guys may not realize because you don't live there, but these people are 100% community, family driven. You could think that these are the Torettos of the Fast and Furious because they're all about family. But I'm serious. They will take care of one another and help each other out. And if one person is seeing how this works and that it's a golden goose, so to speak, they're going to let the word be known. And then it's going to be easier for us to keep them educated in how to participate in this, again, responsibly. So this has significant onboarding power. It is insane. And then the numbers we're looking at, I think, are small compared to what we can really do. It all really just boils down to getting the campaign nailed in and getting these conversions. So I think that's something we'll definitely nail. It just takes a little bit of time. It's going to take a little bit of ad spend in the beginning. That's why a lot of businesses can't do this, because they don't have the experience to kind of fine tune those ads, or they don't have the marketing dollars to throw at it. But since we have the Drip community behind this, we have, infinite scalability. And here's the other beautiful thing. Remember I said in one of my videos that Forex doesn't have to do shit, right? The best thing, in my opinion, that Forex can do is actually just build, not even worry about his AMAs, not worry about what's being produced, none of that, because the best thing he can do is what he's doing, and we can do the rest. Meaning, even if a black swan event happens and we don't have access to the drip garden, we have a marketing team now. We can build our own UI just like drip.fi.app. We can do the entire onboarding process. All we need is BSC scan to stay up. That's it. The drip marketing DAO now has the power to literally transform the entire drip.community space. It's called drip community for a reason. We don't need to worry about what Forex is doing, what he has developed, if it's coming, if there's delays, us being upset. No, the piece that's missing is the marketing. And now that's in the hands of the community. And we are going to take this over and lead everyone to where they want to see the drip price be. That's why I'm so excited about this. I was trying to pull up the garden, but I got distracted. So let me find the actual contract address again. There we go. We now have 102 referrals on this wallet. That's right now at about $12 a day or so, I think, that we can pull out, because I think it's 25 total. But of course, you got to break apart the LPs. And again, we can't do this every day or, we're going to get dinged. So that's why we have to let this build up a bit. But this budget right here is pretty much almost where we need it to be. I think Scott's looking more at the $20 range per day, but I think we can get it started probably around 15. So what we're going to end up doing is letting this sit for about 7 days and then claim it together, break apart the LPs, burn the drip, show you guys that on chain so you'll see it, and then we can kick off the campaign with that initial budget. Now the goal is going to be to try to utilize that and then get them all the way through that entire sales funnel that I was telling you guys about. But there's going to be, again, some learning curve for us to figure out what that sweet spot is and what the message is to communicate with them. But once we get our first couple of conversions, we'll have proof of concept. And we already have proof of concept with the community when you see what's happened here, starting from Driptopian Stream and all of this bullish momentum that we had. And again, proof of concept all the way down here when you look at the number of referrals in the wallet. 102 people have supported us. And that's the power of crypto. That's the community part I'm talking about. And that's what I think the DAO is going to transform in 2023. I said Drip will be a household name because the sky is the limit. Now we have the recipe. We don't need anything from Forex. We don't need anything from the other big drip YouTubers or anybody else. We can literally do this by ourselves. And I know there's some speculation from some of them that this isn't co-signed by Forex. We don't need it co-signed by Forex. This drip.community was co-signed by Forex and written in stone on the blockchain. All we got to do now is take up the flag and run with it. And having a community like myself, Scott, Rock8, CryptoCraft, Johnny Drip, all these people doing that in a combined singular effort versus everybody trying to do a little bit of something else. And that's what happened with the shitforks that came out and got everybody wrecked. They tried to go do their own thing. If we had to just focused and kept everything together, man, Drip would not have any of these problems we have right now. But everybody instead wanted to build their own and start, claiming to be this, that, and the third. But that's why this is different. This is 100% drip focus. So all this money already came right back in the drip. We didn't get a single penny of this, and we front loaded it, and we're going to front load some more for the market because we know this will work. Marketing is the language of business and sales. Without marketing, you just have a great product that nobody knows about. So once this gets the word out and people, again, like that $5 buy-in, and they see they made $1.25 in one week or a little over 1 week, or let's just say 50% over the course of a month. That's huge. There's nothing like that in traditional finance, and damn sure nothing like that in somewhere in the Philippines or Asia. You're not going to get that kind of ROI on your money. So we will have proof of concept, and they'll be right behind us, rallying the trumpets and banging on the drums because they're going to see it. And then the charts are going to reflect it. And then we will be so big they can't ignore us. And all the other content creators out there will have to recognize us in the Drip Marketing DAO at that stage. So I am happy to put in the work and prove it on chain. I don't need the cosign. I don't need the support. I don't need anybody to sign off on it. I got a team, and that team is 100% focused and dedicated. And I think, I know 100% fact, they're going to crack this case and knock this out of the park. It's just not a matter of if, it's when. And I don't know when, but I know immediately, without a shadow of a doubt. I'm sorry. Absolutely and definitely, but maybe not immediately. That's what I meant to say. All right, one last thing. This is because people ask, how do you query or find out if you signed up correctly under the wallet? Now, I've heard mixed results about this, but this is the only tool we have right now because the Garden contract is closed. So you come over here to Dune Analytics, the Garden, Dune.com, crypto58/garden. And then here under query results. So if you scroll down, you scroll and click query results, and then you can put in the drip wallet, the DAO wallet, and this will show all of the referrals under this wallet. You see there's 102. Now I can then put in a wallet address that I signed up with and see if it shows up. So let's actually copy this one, because this is the one that's under it, and paste this in. There it is. It shows that there were 132,000 plants by referral. So this is searching all of the referrals under that wallet. So this is the easiest way for you to check to see if you are under the referral wallet. All right, that's all I got. This was a rant, just me. Super excited about what the Drip Marketing DAO is going to do, and seeing the proof of concept in my garden balance and all this going up. It's awesome to see. So super excited about that. All right. You guys know the drill. Smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Sprix Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.